my channel. I am back with another, well not another, but to work on the same design team project that I was working on I think it was the last video that y'all saw me. I made these in the last video. I made these since the videos. These are little snippets that I made out of the roses that are on the Snippets to Cherished Flower Shop paper. And I did mean to show y'all the process of these, and yeah, that just, the brain has not been right this week. So today I'm going to start putting all of this together. So how is everybody? One of my lights is about to go dead. I should probably stop and go get the battery, but I'm not right this moment. Okay, I think I need to decide where this is going to go. Okay. So y'all know that this was my first week back at work, first week of the semester. And I was given one class that I really don't care to teach and was not looking forward, not even to this first week, mostly due to me, it's a boring class. I know that a lot of my students really love it, so you know, that's wonderful, but to me it's boring. But I also have more problems with students in this class than I do any other. But y'all, work-wise, like, you know, at work, I could not have asked for a better week. All of my students have been wonderful. They have participated. It was truly a good first week back at work. One major flaw, though. My body betrayed me. I hardly slept for 3 straight nights, and I was so swollen, like my whole entire body so incredibly swollen, which meant extreme tiredness, brain fog, disorientation, poor eyesight, and pain, you know. But thankfully, the stuff that I was teaching was like second nature to me, so I wasn't really affected in that manner, so that's good. But y'all, last night I slept 12 hours. My goodness, I could not believe how long that I slept, but I sure needed it. It felt so good. Where's my other little piece? There's that. Am I missing it? Maybe I'm not missing a piece. No, I guess not. I thought that was an extra piece. Okay, I think that's the route that I'm going to go, like that. Okay. Even, like I said, y'all, even the class that I was really dreading, so far it's just really good. I've got several students who you know, hopefully they're going to make it worth it for me. Well, you know, the money, getting paid makes it worth it, but like I said, I've just always had such a hard time with this class. I don't know if it's because of 103. It's a 103. I don't know. I mean, but you know, it's still part of your GPA. So I just don't get why people would act like they do and just throw their education down the drain like they seem to do with that class. I don't get it. A lot of them, and look, not all of them, but you know, it's like a few bad apples. Even one bad apple can ruin the whole cart, but yeah, I don't know. It's frustrating. You know, and I never just let anyone fail that, you know, I have the talk with them, you know, hey, what's going on? What can I do to help? You know, why? You know, okay, well, there's all this extra credit that you can do to makeup stuff. Let's see, that's definitely that. But you know, most of them won't do it. I wonder if I want to put this back here. Oh, that's kind of cute. I think I like that. It's funny because I do offer extra credit to all of my classes. You know, if you want extra credit, you got it. Doesn't matter what your grade is. And the majority of people that do extra credit are those that already have an A, that just want the absolute highest A that they can get. I've had students that that were failing and ended up not failing because of the extra credit, but more often than not, it's those that don't really need to be doing the extra credit that do the extra credit for the best grade. I find that to be kind of odd and funny, you know, not funny like I'm making fun, but just, you know, you A seekers, you know. I'm not sure if I'm going to add that or not, because, you know what, maybe, and then do some fabric. Let me look at that in between. Now, I am off every Friday. Love that part about my job. I love my job, period. I absolutely do. But having every Friday off, yes. This week I need it just to recuperate from my body not behaving. Get back here. Get back here. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. You know, one of the things that I do see amongst students that seem to not care so much and that fail or, you know, are headed in that direction, because like I said, I talk to all of them. I want to get to the bottom of it. I want to help them as much as possible, you know, to kind of push them into doing what they need to do, though I will not give a grade. I simply don't. My daughter was in my class, 2 of my classes, and if she got a 0, she got a 0. So I don't do that. But one common theme I have noticed among those who seem to be that way, you know, they're not sure exactly why they're in college or university. One. Also, a lot of them, they're there because their parents are making them be there. And so I just want to speak to all the parents out there. One, there is nothing inherently wrong about having your child go to college and pursue a college degree, a university degree. So that's not what I'm saying at all. But what I am saying is it's not for everybody. It's simply not. And, you know, there are so many trades out there these days that are being forgotten about, that are being overlooked, that are being lost, that your child might be great at. And a lot of them make a lot more money than what us college graduates are getting paid, you know. I mean, that's something I think that should be considered, that's oftentimes not. And then, you know, you don't have all that college debt That really, really, really stinks. Okay, that's looking super cute. Very, very happy, but I do have to go get another battery for my light. Be right back. All right, I'm back, and I got the lights working again. So let me glue this down. Get in there. I think it's every video now that the dogs are going to freak out. And unfortunately, it is too hot to have them just shut outside the whole time. And if I shut the door to this room, they're going to be scratching in it and whining and driving me crazy. Alright, I actually made these to be roses, but I think I made them too big. And I still have these. Oh, that's so cute. That butterfly needs to be ironed right there if I can't get it to do right. And I'm going to use the butterfly. Pulling out some of the fabric that I had down there because we want that to kind of peek through. I may still have to come back and steam that down. I'm going to pull that off. Let's see, does it go here? It does. And that means I got a smushy, smushy, smushy to mat that back. Of course, I can always steam that off too. Yeah, that is a good little trick. I really need to do a little video showing that. If you have hot glue somewhere where you don't want it to be, if you just have a blow dryer or one of those embossing heat guns, you can just hold it over that with something up underneath it and press it through, and it comes right out. And that's what I'll have to do for that. So if I remember, I will definitely put it on video. But anyway, y'all, this is the very top of the box. It is done. I think it is so pretty. I'm so excited. For those of y'all that didn't see the first part, this is the inside. I'm not done with it yet. I'm filling it up with, got a little journal here, and got a little flip through, we want that to show. There we go. Little flip through lookbook here. I don't want to show everything yet because I'm not done. And I will show it all at the very end when I'm finally finished. But I did want to decorate the outside of the box with y'all. I apologize for not putting some of it together in front of y'all. This week I have been absolutely exhausted and out of it, but needing little tiny craft breaks just to kind of, you know, give myself that, and just could not, I couldn't record it. I simply couldn't. I hope that y'all understand, and I hope that y'all love this. And anyway, leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about what's going on here. I think it's so pretty. Y'all go check out Doreen's Etsy shop under Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. It's actually VTG Treasures. And y'all check out all of her gorgeous kits. This is not the only, all of them are absolutely beautiful, but this one is the Snippets to Cherish Flower Shop kit, and I will leave a link to that, to her shop, in the description. Y'all, thank you for watching, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.